We're a family of 4 and we've been living in Boston for the past 6 years. This here is Evangeline. She's our elder daughter. She's turning 4 this year, and we have Eleonora, who's going to be 2 in a week's time. And we collected our keys to our Mo Kio BTO flat in October 2017. And the renovation process took about 2.5 months, and we moved in early January 2018.
We chose a modern Scandinavian design with a neutral color scheme. We also opted for an open kitchen to create a bright and airy feel and to increase the perception of space.
Liz was appointed our interior designer, and she exceeded our expectations in terms of efficiency, attention to detail, as well as keeping on top of the project schedule.
We are very satisfied with the workmanship. As expected, there would always be imperfections in renovation, but Liz assured us that Weiken would redo any components to our satisfaction, and they did just that.
是 Liz from Weiken.com Oxley Bizhub Branch。屋主原先的想法和需求让我联想到这整体感的设计是可以带出一些温馨的感觉，让他们喜欢我的设计。我希望这次屋主会喜欢我这次的设计，希望你们会喜欢。